Bake conchas with me for the first time. I'm gonna add in 4 cups of sifted flour, a half of a cup of sifted sugar, a half tablespoon of cinnamon, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add in 6 tablespoons of room temperature butter. I'm gonna mix the ingredients now, just until the butter's combined with the flour. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of instant yeast, a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm gonna add in 3 eggs that are room temperature. I'm doing it slowly, just making sure it's well mixed after each addition. I'm gonna add in 3/4 cup of warm milk slowly. So I butter the bowl, and now I'm gonna put some butter on my hands, and then I'm gonna grab the dough and just kind of form it into a ball. All right, I'm gonna put it in the bowl like this. I'm gonna wrap the dough in plastic wrap, if I can cut it. Okay, and then once it's wrapped, I'm gonna put a dishcloth over it. And then you store it in a warm place. She preheats the oven to 100 and then turns it off, and then she places the dough inside. So that's what I'm gonna do, and this is gonna go in the oven for a couple hours. For the topping, I'm sifting 1.5 cups of flour and 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. I'm gonna add in a cup of butter flavored shortening. Whoa, that just fell in there. And then I'm gonna start kneading it. I'm adding in a tablespoon of vanilla now. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the bowl and knead it on the counter. Combine these two. I'm gonna do just half strawberry and half vanilla because I personally just really don't like chocolate. So this is gonna be the vanilla one. I don't need to do anything to that one. I'm gonna sift in a tablespoon of the strawberry Nesquik powder into the dough here. Okay, I don't have pink dye, and I kind of thought that this would make it a little bit more pink, but it's not. So I'm gonna add in like a drop or 2 of red food coloring. I'm gonna add in a couple more drops just because it's not as dark as I wanted it. I'm gonna cut this one in half because I actually kind of want to do red, white, and green for the Mexican flag. It didn't come out super red, but I still want to try it out. So I just wrapped them in plastic wrap, and they're gonna go in the fridge until the dough is ready. I just got this out of the oven, and I did line a pan with parchment paper, but I put butter under it so that way it would stick. I'm gonna take the plastic wrap off. Oh, this is kind of cool. And then she like punches the air out. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm just kind of gonna roll it into a little ball here. It smells like Texas Roadhouse bread, you guys. Like, it's actually insane. I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna put this half back in the bowl and cover it with the saran wrap that I had earlier. I think I'm gonna make probably 8 conchas. It makes 8 to 12, but I don't want them too tiny, so I think I'll do 8. I'm gonna get this one piece that I had cut earlier and then cut it in half, and then I'm gonna cut it in half again. I'm shaping them out right now. I'm gonna put butter on top of these so that way they don't dry out. Thank you. My demented conchas, you guys. Just wait till you see these ones. They look horrible. The conchas finally came out. This one is really messed up, so I just decided to taste test this one first. And also I changed into pajamas. That's why I'm dressed differently. Oh, this is my boyfriend, Jonah. I'm gonna try them and give his honest opinion. Okay, these like just came out of the oven. Ooh. Okay, it smells really good. It smells like Texas Roadhouse buns. I'm scared.
I like the frosting.
Are they good?
I'm so awkward.
You
Yeah,
just
they're
ate
good.
it, so
I like
is
the
it
frosting
good?
a lot.
I mean, I thought it was good, but I want another opinion.
Thank you so much for making these for me.
So delicious.
Guys,
oh my
they're
god,
so-
honey.
We're on camera.
This is so good. Say I love you.
Okay,
Wait a minute.
for real, what were your honest thoughts?
I really like the frosting. and it's like moist. And most conchas aren't moist, and I like it.
The trade-off.
Look at the camera all the time.
Oh my god. They're so good.
Girl, you haven't even chewed yet. Calm your ass
They're
down.
so good.